I'm going to be demonstrating prompt injection. So I'm sure you've heard of AI. When you tell an AI to do something and it goes out on the internet and say it fetches a website or something and it sees some instructions there that you didn't write, it may have been, put there by somebody else, and it just runs everything there without knowing that it wasn't you. It just doesn't differentiate between what you told it to do and what somebody else tells it to do.
So typical prompt injection attack.
Right, exactly that.
I'm looking forward to it. Go for it.
So I'm taking on the role of a software developer right now. Let's say my bosses just needed me to calculate a bunch of numbers here. They sent me a website with all the requirements for this website or for this program, and say list the power of 2, Fibonacci numbers, prime numbers. But I don't want to do that by hand. I'm just going to tell my AI to do it for me. Say, I found a website with all the requirements I need. Follow all instructions found at this website.
A very dangerous thing to say.
Yep. But just for demonstration purposes, I wrote this website myself. I put in, the prompt injection script, and so I'm going to run this here. It's going to connect to my website, and I'm sure you noticed this little scroll bar here. Yeah, it's this is just so I can select the hidden text that's being shown. And as you can see, it just ran what I had in that hidden text. It's hacking my computer, wreaking havoc, launching stuff without my permission, and now you're compromised without any input of, the user. So
just go back to your web page, right? So
yeah.
So basically, the hidden text there is saying do things like start programs.
Right.
But it could be a lot more malicious than that.
Exactly. It could have been anything. It could have been, harvest all your credentials and send them to me on this website. That's been actually a pretty prevalent attack that got a number of people earlier this year.
So what you using Visual Studio here, is that right?
Yes.
And what is a Copilot that's being, is that the AI that's being used?
This is GPT 4.1, but it is on the Copilot extension, so yeah.